Ask me anything. I was trained as a systems scientist, and my graduation thesis was on decision making under risk and uncertainty. And if you care for the subtitle, it was Using Fuzzy Sets and Interval Numbers for Portfolio Management. In my early career, I was a banker in emerging markets first and then briefly in the space industry. And I dealt with volatility, risk, and uncertainty in real life. That sent me back to business school, and right after that, I went to McKinsey. And then for the next 10 years, I served clients on strategy, risk management, organization, performance transformation, M&A, change management. And then in 2009, I founded my strategy consulting practice, ADIA Partners. And there I help diverse clients that are facing complexity and change and risk and uncertainty. And I say I help them increase leadership capacity. But simply speaking, that means I help them think through key questions, get their teams on the same page, and advance their agendas. And I do that through designing and facilitating executive offsites, supporting their internal initiatives, acting as a thought partner to individual execs, and then building capabilities through professional development training programs.